Beyond making patterns and turning them into paper prototypes, how do you go from making patterns into real bags that you can use to make extra income? Because what is the essence of learning a skill if you can't use that skill to make money? And that is where the Bag Making Bootcamp comes in. The Bag Making Bootcamp is a self-paced training that offers pre-recorded video tutorials that you can watch at your own pace and convenience and practice at any time. In the Bag Making Bootcamp, you will get access to tutorials that teach you how to draft advanced patterns even beyond the ones taught in the free pattern masterclass. You'll be able to cut leather or any other type of fabric like your ashoke, Ankara, hard seam allowances to help you to stitch it on your sewing machine. You'll also be introduced to stiffeners or interfacings that you can use to pad your bag so that it stands firm. In the Bag Making Bootcamp, we are not going to be limiting you to the tutorials we give you in the class. We are going to be teaching you the basics and the formulas that will help you to be able to apply what you learn in the class to other things even beyond the class. In the Bag Making Bootcamp, you will get access to various tutorials that is going to guide you to show you how to go from pattern to bag. So as many patterns as you are able to come up with and draft, you'll be able to turn them into real bags. In the Bag Making Bootcamp, you're going to be getting access to video tutorial that shows you how to make this shoulder bag. With the tutorial, you're going to be able to go from paper prototype like this to a real bag like this. You will also be getting tutorial that shows you how to make a tote bag, whether it is straight at the top or it is irregular shaped at the top like this, you will be able to make it. Another thing you'll be learning from this tutorial is how to include a zip tab on your bag. Zip tab allows you to be able to close your bag so that what is inside is safe and you can be able to access the contents of the bag. This also features a detail that allows you to be able to join two different materials together to make any design of your choice. You will have access to this tutorial that shows you how the handle was made. It also features the clasp closure that allows you to be able to access the contents of the bag. This closure is very unique and you can use it to make various other designs of bags, even as sides and bag. You also learn how to make slip pocket and zipper pockets on the interior parts of a bag, including the longer strap. You also have access to this quilted bag. This features an attached base bag stand where the bag can sit on. Also for the closure of the bag, we have a drawstring which also serves as the handle of the bag. There's a divider that divides the bag into two compartments. The divider also serves as a compartment on its own where you can also keep things. In this bag as well, you also learn how to make zipper pockets on the interior parts of your bag on the lining. In the Bag Making Bootcamp, you get access to this laptop bag that features a double zip compartment that do not lead to each other. This laptop bag is very much sought after. I can sell it for a lot of money. You also get access to this black handbag with double compartments built into it. This and more are the real bag tutorials that you're going to be getting in the Bag Making Bootcamp that is going to guide you on how to go from pattern drafting to making real bags. To join the Bag Making Bootcamp, there is a button below this video that takes you to where you're going to register, make payments, and be able to access the class. I wish you the very best in your bag making journey. For now, bye.